Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys my conditioning and also exercises on how I keep my stamina going for battling, also practicing. Bear in mind that this kind of video and this kind of exercise always changing from time to time, so I always constantly changing this kind of exercise. It depends on how my body feels. Alright, but before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon, so whenever I upload new video, you will get notified. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right onto it. First thing first, before I start to do the exercises and also conditioning, I make sure that I set my alarm for 15 minutes at least, and then play the B-boy music, start dancing, start top rocking. Do any top rock, mix and match it, and make sure that you're having fun. Get all the sweat up first for that 15 minutes, and then trust me, after you're doing that top rock, when you're about to go to the stretching part and conditioning part, you can feel that your body is so much lighter, so much more flexible. Alright, so keep that in mind. Top rocking for that 15 minutes, and then after that we're gonna go to the stretching and also conditioning exercises. That's it for the exercises and also conditioning that you guys have been asking about all along. Hopefully this kind of video can help you guys out, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Remember what I said earlier, this kind of exercises and conditioning move that I did, it really depends on my body and how my body responds. Alright, maybe it's not suitable for anyone, so you can just try out and take a few that really suits you, and also you can find the others that suit you as well. Okay, that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.